Good afternoon. Call the Board of Health meeting to order at 5 p.m. If everyone could please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Oh my God, my feet are stuck.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Okay, thank you. Okay, first up on our agenda is we're going to be introduced to the Director of Health Services up at Nichols College. If you'd like to come up to the table and have a seat and just introduce yourself. And first I'll introduce us so that you're not, my name is Jennifer Canoyer.
Lori Ducharme. Roberta Johnson.
And Roberta at this time is also our public health nurse.
Okay, it's nice. I'm Jessie Chenier. I have been with Nichols for about a month, so I'm still learning the ropes.
Welcome.
I love it so far. I am previously the health director at Elms College, so I do have some college health experience. I had reached out to, I think it was Amanda.
Yep.
Is that you?
That's me.
Hi. Just to kind of introduce myself and see if there was anything that I needed to know for the town of Dudley. I worked really closely with the Board of Health Director in Chicopee, of course, through the pandemic. So, and now that's kind of slowing down, so I didn't know if there was any procedures that I needed to be aware of. If you want me to report to you, like, what do you want?
I'll turn it over. Ro is our contact
Right.
with Nichols through everything.
As far as reporting things to us, like I guess we all would like to know if there are outbreaks on campus.
Okay.
I still have access to Maven, so I can see anything reportable for anyone in Dudley. I still see the COVID cases. I haven't seen a ton at the college, so I kind of knew an idea of what was going on. But like if there was an outbreak, PJ was really good about keeping in touch with us, so we had a sense of what was going on.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess we just want to know if there's something going on that you need to make us aware of. That's,
Sure.
that's all. We just
Okay.
have to keep the lines of communication open.
Right.
Yeah.
And if something were to occur or happen there, if you can let us know, because it's better for us to hear from you than, which always seems to happen, somebody will walk up to you and be like, did you hear about this? And we're like,
Yeah. No.
no. So that's all. And again, it's just open lines. And if there's anything that you need from us as well, just contact Amanda at the Board of Health office. She'd get you in touch with whomever you need.
Okay.
And we're,
Yeah.
we like to work closely with Nichols. We had great
Yeah.
relationship with them, and I'm sure it will continue.
Yes.
Working through everything. It's
Yeah.
been wonderful.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Whole bunch of different staff now.
Yeah,
Yes.
definitely.
A lot of new staff, so.
Yeah. Yeah. Whatever you need from us,
Okay.
we're pretty easy. We just want to be in the know. That's all.
Of course.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah.
I can do that.
All right.
We
Awesome.
appreciate that.
Yeah.
Easy.
Does Amanda have your email?
Yes.
All right. So maybe we'll just do like a group email. So if you need to reach out to us, at least you can have you find it
You'll have
a little bit
each of us.
easier to get a hold of me through email versus the two of them. But I'm not sure. But so you'll have it if you ever have any questions or just want to say hi.
Okay.
It's not COVID or health related. Right? Those are always nice.
Yeah.
So, but welcome.
Yeah,
Thank you.
welcome.
Town.
Thank you. We live in Dudley.
Oh, that's
nice.
good.
We've lived in Dudley since 2016.
Oh, good.
And I was traveling out to Elms for the past 6 years, which is an hour.
This is
Yeah.
much better commute
Oh,
for you.
yes. It's a 5-minute commute. I can go home and see my little one for lunchtime. It's wonderful.
Oh, nice,
Yeah.
nice. Well, good for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nichols is a beautiful,
It's
beautiful
gorgeous.
campus, beautiful
Yeah.
college.
Everybody's so friendly.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have good relationships with quite a few different people up there, and
Yeah.
we had a meeting with the president, so that we could introduce ourselves
Mhm.
to him as well as, and put it out there as well. Anything that you guys need, that's what we're here for, and we can keep you informed of different things that we do,
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
events or anything that we have
Yeah.
going on
Sure.
that will, may benefit.
Okay.
Absolutely. Great. Well, thank you so much for coming in. We appreciate it. I figured this was the way that you could get to meet everybody face to face.
Yes, that's wonderful. I'm
So-
glad. Thank you for the opportunity.
Yeah, great. Thank you. Good luck to you.
Thank
Look
you.
forward to working with you.
Nice to meet everyone.
You
Thank
too.
you.
Okay, number 2 is updates on the plans for the next bike rodeo. I don't know if anything's changed.
I don't think so.
I don't think anything's changed at this time.
But we got good information out there.
We did.
over the weekend.
So we've actually done 2 events
Yep.
since. We did the Apple Fest put on by the Dudley Grange, and that was at the beginning of October, October 1st. And then this past Sunday, the 16th, we participated in the Dudley PTO trunk or treat and handed out free COVID test kits at both events with our Save the Date flyer. And at this past event, we handed out our coupons,
Yep,
For the
the
bike-
helmets.
for the
The helmets.
bike helmets, and, put it out there that the bike rodeo is, let's see if I can get the dates right this time, not say July. June 22nd, it's a Thursday night from 5 to 7 here at the Dudley Town Hall. And come with anything with wheels.
Mhm.
And Children's Hospital will be giving away free bike helmets, fit your child for a helmet and everything. So
Right.
I would say over 500 kids, would you say?
Yeah, at our table
Well,
at least, yeah.
It
It
was,
was a great event.
It was
it was
really good.
great.
But I think it's great that we're starting things,
Yes.
implementing things, getting it done sooner, getting the word out now, so by the time
Mhm.
the event rolls around, we should be in
Absolutely.
good shape.
Hopefully we won't hear, I didn't know.
I know. And I did tell some people, that would speak more, more chatty. I was like, you're probably gonna be bombarded with the information. They're like, no, bring it, please. We didn't know about it last year. And I'm like, oh my goodness.
Right.
So this is why we're gonna continue.
Mm-hmm.
We'll have information at the Spooktacular. We'll have, information in the little goodie bags for the holiday lighting.
Right?
And then anything else that comes along, we'll be putting information out there. And
Right, and the, is her name Joy?
yes,
She posted it, like, on every outlet,
Perfect.
Twitter,
Oh.
Facebook, Instagram.
yes.
So she really got the word out there that way too,
That's
just
good.
kinda like save the date type of thing, so.
And
But
we'll keep,
that PTO event was mad crazy, it was awesome.
it was.
Cause my kids are older, so aren't the 2 of yours, right?
Right.
So like, I never even knew about it.
No, we've never
I
experienced
was just
anything
like,
like
I
that.
can't even.
Very well run. So
Yeah.
kudos to the Dudley PTO.
Yes.
Very
I
well
wish I
run.
had gotten a chance to venture away from our little
too.
10 by 10
Like
space.
to kind of chat with the person on the phone that I talked to,
Right.
Kim, so.
And to
but-
see other vendors that
Yeah.
were there and different
Right.
things,
Mhm.
But still, it was an incredible event, and it was well worth the time
Yeah,
and the candy.
I was
Yes,
tired.
absolutely.
I was
I was
tired.
tired. But yeah,
Yes,
A lot of candy.
that was, it was awesome, so.
right.
Okay. Ro, anything else?
On bike rodeo or just keep moving?
Just keep moving, sorry.
Nothing really in the COVID world, like the numbers are still there, not anything drastic, not anything like, oh my gosh, that we have to go back to extreme measures. I did call Walgreens to talk to the pharmacy coordinator, I think was her title, I don't remember, to see about how they could come out and do the flu clinic, because unfortunately, we can't get the vaccines ourselves, the flu vaccine, because there's some restrictions to it. So they needed at least 50 people in order to come out and run the clinic.
Mhm.
So Joy put a poll out there, and there were only about 20 people that responded. So she was gonna do it again. The only thing is, for Walgreens, they were willing to do it, but we would have to go to Walgreens because of staffing purposes.
Yep.
They can't close the pharmacy to come here. So they would have to have an area in the parking lot, and people would just have to go and say they're from the town of Dudley type of thing. But I haven't connected with her because I didn't meet the criteria. So
We tried.
we tried, we'll
The
see.
benefit of doing it through us would have been at no cost to the town.
So the state gives free flu vaccines for 19 and under, and those without health insurance.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, if we wanted to purchase them out straight ourselves, we could have, but I never heard back from the vendor to see how much it cost, and then we could bill insurance for reimbursement.
Which is a lot of work
Paperwork.
Oh my God.
for
So I was
Amanda.
like, yeah, so I'm like, well, why not have Walgreens
Right.
post it?
Exactly.
But I think there's a shortage of employees everywhere, so
Right.
it was kinda like the 50 and then the spot, so we'll try again. We're having a booster clinic for the vaccine on Saturday from 9 to 11:30. So there's still slots available if people wanna sign up. Joy put that out there as well.
Do you know if it's on our website, Amanda?
I don't think so.
Can you check on that
Ask her.
tomorrow?
Yep.
And if, you must have the link, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
'Cause I
can get
know-
it on there myself.
okay, thank
You
you.
want me to email it to you, or do you have it?
I know I emailed it to her yesterday.
Okay.
When I emailed,
Okay.
I realized that it didn't, yeah.
Yeah. So, I mean, right now, when I checked Sunday, I had 17 people signed up. So it wasn't a ton, but
It's okay.
17 more that
Yep.
now we'll have it.
Right.
Go.
So, we'll see moving forward if we need to do another one, we certainly will, but right now, that was the date that fit best, and we can, we'll see. But, with the poll, there were people that were interested, so then that's when I opened it up to say, okay, let's just do it, so.
Right.
On the flyer, it said first floor. In the past, we've had it downstairs, but Sheer had already posted it, so it's gonna be up here. So we're just gonna post some signs. So we'll do the vaccines down in that room, and then people can come sit in here and do their 15-minute wait time. So
We'll post signs.
just remind me to grab a sign.
That's not a problem. We can put our little portable sign down
Yeah.
there and just put our thing on it saying,
Pointing down that
yeah,
way.
that's
Okay.
fine. That shouldn't be a problem. And we have, I know of 3 volunteers.
Yep, and I have another nurse coming with me.
And is Michelle coming?
Yep, Michelle's gonna come.
So we'll have 6.
So we have 3 vaccinators. I need the 2 registrars,
Yep.
checking in, and then someone kinda just like
Watching.
directing people, where to come and sit, so. I think Jay will come too, so I think, we have enough people. It's not as big as it was the first time.
Right.
Or the second time, so, but I think we should be okay.
Let me know, because John
Yep.
said he'd come if needed. He asked me.
Alright.
So that's good.
Yep.
Beautiful. Okay. And up next, our health agent is not here today. So, and I haven't heard anything major from her that's been going on. I think everything's pretty much status quo. So no news is good news.
Right on.
So Upside is up and running?
Yes.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
yes.
Yep.
That's good to hear.
Yep. So, and I don't think there's anything else that she was holding over or anything going on that I know of.
No, it's been quiet.
That's good. And, okay, up number 5, approval of the minutes from September 20th.
I make a motion to approve the minutes from September 20th, 2022.
And I second that.
We have a motion and a second. Any other discussion? Seeing none, all in favor? Aye.
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 Passes unanimously. Such a cutie. Okay, and we have 2 young members of the public, but I don't think they want to comment on anything with the
No.
Board of Health, so we'll just move on to,
Do you?
nothing to say? Cool. You're working on that fun math, right? Fun numbers. Excellent.
Boy.
Good job. Okay, Lori, anything?
No, all quiet on my end.
The other thing is we will be at the town meeting, which is Monday, the
Oh,
24th. We will be there and handing out, what are we handing out Monday at the town meeting?
Do you think people still want COVID kits? But we have them, so we'll bring them.
Oh, we're bringing them.
And whatever
There's-
leftovers that we have.
We have saved the dates on them.
Yep, some of that stuff that.
Anything that's in
Camille-
my car?
Yep. Whatever we'll put something together. We'll just
Beautiful.
continue to remind people to save the
Bags. That's what we need, Amanda, to order bags, right? Little bags.
Oh,
Like the ones we had for Saturday,
those
Sunday.
cloth bags?
The clear bags. Remember the little
Oh,
plastic?
yeah, those
They're
little
like a
treat
goodie
bags.
bag, but they were clear.
I had some.
Clear goodie bags.
Yes, if we could get a ton.
So that package I had was 150.
And we went through
Between
those.
Apple Fest,
Yeah,
actually, we started with those at the bike rodeo.
yes,
Bike rodeo, Apple Fest, and now.
yep. And then we
So-
ran out.
Yeah, I was like,
Early
oh,
on.
we better get to
So we
work
were
here.
just-
We were just holding stuff and putting it away.
Yeah, so if you could order, because we would wanna give those out again at the Spooktacular.
Yeah.
So,
Are we gonna give out more save the dates and things at the December tree lighting thing
Yes.
too?
that will put in the goodie bag.
Yeah.
When we stuff the goodie bags, we can put it in.
Halloween, those will be Christmas themed.
Oh, yes.
You know
Yeah.
those ones you could put cookies in them?
Yeah.
Those are what we're looking for.
Well, we already get the Christmas ones. Michelle orders the Christmas ones.
But like those, but clear.
But clear.
Clear,
Yes.
yeah. Okay, and do we want some Halloween ones to hand out at Halloween?
Oh my gosh.
Might as well, right?
Can you throw in 200 Halloween ones? Because we should do up 200 for Halloween.
Okay.
Because that's what we usually do, 200 s'mores, 200 hot dogs.
Okay.
So do
Works for me.
200,
Got it.
and we'll have to work on that before, you're gonna be gone.
For the spectacular?
Yes, she will be.
Tuesday.
I'll be here.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'll be here in spirit.
We know.
Are you able to work that Board of Health table then? Because I'm doing s'mores.
Mhm.
And Amanda's doing s'mores with me because my normal s'mores person has early voting. Lori has to work early voting,
Oh.
so
Yeah,
we're a little,
yeah, we can work out the.
We'll make sure we have everything together.
Yeah,
That you need.
yeah.
Yep.
perfect, that'll be good. So I forgot, oh yeah, we were talking about town meeting, sorry, we got
Oh, things that we're
sidetracked.
gonna bring, I think whatever, leftovers that we have, not leftovers, so, but,
So that's,
COVID kits.
okay. We don't need the bags for that?
No.
Okay, so we can make sure Saturday that we have enough, I can tell you, because I still have them in my car.
Okay,
I wasn't gonna take them out only to
put them back in.
put them back to bring Monday night. So
Okay.
I'll let you know how many I have and if you think that's enough.
The flu flyer?
Yes, we have the extras of those. So yeah, we'll definitely need more kits made up for, in your spare time with all the jobs you're doing now.
I'll squeeze it in.
So we need at least 200 because we've gotta make up 200 bags for the Spooktacular.
Okay, and we're putting a ticket in there.
Yes,
Mhm.
coupon, we
use
need more.
them. We use them all up. We need
Wow.
And
so
we were
many-
giving like one to families, and we
Yeah.
still, so that's why we went, there were over 500 kids. It was,
Okay.
it was,
So we need some more of those.
Some more
right?
bike
Yeah.
coupons,
Yes.
bike helmets.
Okay.
We were telling them like they needed to bring the ticket to get the helmet.
because we wanted,
Yeah.
we wanna encourage people to come.
Yes.
Right. It's a great event.
Yeah,
I have a feeling we're gonna have a better turnout because it's gonna be during the week.
I think so. People were happy with that, the ones that I was talking to on
Mhm.
Sunday. And I think if we can get food there,
Oh, yeah, right.
we did look into, I know Michelle has a hot dog steamer, but we also did look into one of the vendors that was there as a possibility. We did get his information, although I don't remember it by now.
Oh, I don't remember his name. I remember the cost.
I remember that, and I know where he's out of, so that we'll be able to find that.
Joe's Dogs?
Next,
Joe's Dogs?
I don't know.
The
We can
P-
always-
The PTO.
the
will have
PTO.
It was on the PTO website,
Yeah.
cause they went around and took a bunch of pictures,
Oh,
so
that's
just
good.
zoom in and
Yeah, so,
something like that.
and if we
Joe's
see
Dogs.
Did
any,
we ever ask the local, like the hot dog guy?
we have not yet, no.
Okay.
And that's what we're gonna have to start is, did we reach out to Boston's Children's Hospital? We're all over the place today. For
We
the
are.
save the date
We're
of
back
the
up
bike
to number
rodeo.
2.
I will confirm with that.
Please.
So I'd initially, and she said, just let me know what date you.
I just happened to think about that when I was handing out all those
Yep.
tickets, going, oh
I
gosh, oh
think we're
gosh.
well enough into the, early enough into the, planning that we should be,
And then what we should do is, maybe for our next meeting, Board of Health meeting, just come up with a list of, like, if we want the scouts
Okay.
and certain people, that like the PTO to have a table, the Boys and Girls Club
right.
to have a table,
Mhm.
and, see if they can bring, could you hand out a piece of fruit, or a bag of chips, or a
Mhm.
candy,
Mhm.
or just,
Mhm.
or a tchotchke, something.
Yeah, yep.
So we will, you know, if we each come up with names, then we can compare names and come up
Yep.
with a master list, and Amanda can create a beautiful letter in her spare time.
Yeah.
You know, like, can you get more of those first aid kits and the hand sanitizer?
Camille was able to purchase
Oh,
those,
okay.
those, so I'm not sure, I mean,
What about the company that we tried with, but we were too late last year for the?
Blue Lizard,
Yeah,
the
you,
sunscreen.
you were
Yeah,
gonna
the
reach out, right?
sunscreen.
Mhm.
Oh, yeah, those are some good ideas.
We might not get that right now, but for June.
Yeah. But that's what I
That's
mean.
what she's saying.
Oh,
maybe,
yeah, I,
To be able to
the
hand
first
things
aid
out.
kits would be great.
Yeah.
I just don't know, they had grant money that the communities use, I don't remember the
What
term.
did we have
but-
left of those? Or do we give them all?
Those
away?
all went.
None.
We went through all of those? Wow.
Actually, I think there
Oh,
was
there-
one Halloween, one pumpkin bucket left, 1.5 of the first aid kits.
Yep, those are in a bag.
This hand sanitizers
Gone.
Yeah, those went,
Those
Went
only had
early.
a couple hundred.
okay.
Yep.
But there were some nice bags that she said went with all of that, and I have to look for them.
Okay.
I think she brought them in
So we can keep
before I was
brainstorming
here,
on
so
that.
I don't know what they looked like.
So we'll keep brainstorming on, like you said, items that these organizations could be passing out or.
Yeah, you know, anything, just to make it, people like to come and get something
Mhm.
Mm-hmm, they do.
for free.
Water bottles,
Yep.
safety stuff. for
So,
bikes,
come up with a list.
reflectors, you know, bike reflectors.
And I mean vendors, and by vendors, I don't mean people who are selling stuff.
Yeah.
I mean our local Dudley Little
Nonprofit,
League,
yeah.
yeah,
It'd be
like
nice if they could
those,
come.
if they wanna come. And then open it up if any businesses wanna come. But I don't want like, you know, Tupperware or
Oh, yeah,
Scentsy
no.
or stuff like
not-
that.
Not at that event, it's
No.
not appropriate.
But
Yeah,
you know,
agree.
anything that a kid might be interested in, you know, maybe the kid needs, that maybe the parents need to know about the Boys and Girls Club. Maybe their child wants to join soccer or baseball or scouts, Girl Scouts, Boy Scouts, Cub Scouts, you know,
Right. What about
the school
dance?
stuff.
Yep,
Yeah, there's a
Dance studio.
dance studio. We have a dance studio right in Dudley.
yeah,
Rele-
Campbell,
Yeah,
what, I don't remember, I'm sorry.
Relevations.
Relevations.
Where's
Thank
the
you.
Yeah, I don't remember her first
Really?
name.
Yeah.
It's the-
Perfect.
Yep.
Could you?
She's
Talk to
great.
her, yeah.
She stopped at our table.
Oh.
Because Connor and his sister came through without mom, cause she was doing something, so she came up to me, and she's like, this save the date says, you know, get a free helmet, but where's the ticket? And I was like, oh, because the kids came alone,
Yep.
so then I gave her one.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Kathy? No,
Stephanie.
Stephanie, wrong. So,
Hey, it's okay.
Perfect.
That, you know,
Yeah.
that would be good. You know, things like that. That's what, do we have, we don't have a karate place in town anymore.
no,
We used to.
we don't.
We don't anymore. But I mean, then we can, you know, I'd like to have stuff like that.
Would Ice Cream Farm come back?
I don't know.
Okay,
Don't know. I honestly don't know.
okay, oh, well.
Yeah.
All we can do is ask.
That's right.
Yeah, I drafted a letter so we can look at it, you guys wanna edit it and add what you want in it, then we can kinda send it out. Now that we have a confirmed date,
Right.
a confirmed place,
Right.
We're promoting it early,
right,
very
we can
early.
say, you know, whatever we want, so I can share it with you guys if you wanna,
I think just being
edit.
affiliated now or having that connection that we have with the PTO, like they know what we're doing, I feel that's a good in as well, a good resource for
Right.
us.
And if the Dudley Women's Club would like to be there with information on the playground,
mhm.
that would
Oh,
be
good
excellent.
opportunity for that.
That would be
Okay.
excellent. You know, I'm just trying to,
Mm-hmm.
so,
The wheels are turning.
you know,
Be a good, it's gonna be a good event.
I really think this year we've gotten the information out more, so we'll work on that and come together with a big list. So next month, bike rodeo we'll have on again, and we'll need to make sure we have,
Some updates.
yeah, some groups we wanna reach out to. We need to know when our next meeting is.
That's what I was just,
yeah.
like, do we know our next meeting yet?
It should be third Tuesday,
I
which
think
would be the
we-
15th.
We did this, didn't we?
I'm not sure, so
No,
I'd rather
we didn't.
reconfirm.
That's not in my
It's
schedule,
not in mine either.
so maybe we didn't
Alright.
do November.
Does that work, the
So
15th?
Tuesday, the 15th,
Yep.
5 o'clock.
at the 5 o'clock.
Yep, that works good for everybody?
Yes, it
Yeah.
does.
Where are you? What?
if I don't put it in.
Okay.
Perfect, all right, so the next meeting is.
You forget, cause then I'll be like, girls, what is our meeting
I
time
know.
again?
Then I go to Amanda.
Amanda,
Did we
what is our
schedule
meeting?
it? And December, we'll see how that plays out, because the third Tuesday of December is the 20th, and there is no way
Yeah.
that's happening.
Tree lighting is when, the 8th or the 1st? I mean, did they pick a date yet?
For the Boy Scouts?
No, for
No, the
the,
tree lighting, the
here.
town tree lighting.
usually it's the first Thursday, but she hasn't confirmed that date.
So that would be the 1st if it's,
Yeah,
that's the case.
I'll find
Okay.
out.
That would be nice.
It's always a fun event. It's cold, but
Love
it's
it.
fun. Okay.
So I'll follow, because we didn't, when we had our spooktacular meeting, we didn't set a date on the tree lighting, right? We talked a little about it, but okay, not losing it. Yeah, so if we need to meet in December, we'd have to push it either earlier or or January would have to be early, you know what I mean? We'll play it by ear.
Okay.
I think we always do that and it works out just fine.
I think so, because not a lot goes on in December,
Mm-mm.
you know, so,
We've had our fun,
yeah,
we're recharging.
and we need
Meet
that.
again in January.
Yes, because we need that time between Thanksgiving and Christmas to do everything else that goes on in our lives.
Yes, please.
So, okay, I think that's everything I have.
I make a motion to adjourn today's meeting.
Accept.
You accept it? Thank you. I have a motion and an acceptance.
Acceptance letter?
Um,
I
no-
second that, how's that?
I have no further discussion.
Oh, thank goodness.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Meeting adjourned at 5:27 PM. Thank you.